it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel and happy St. Patrick's Day. So today I'm doing a video my friend Nona did on her channel. I'll put a link to her channel down below. She did the top 10 palettes in her collection for St. Patrick's Day. And I thought, that sounds like fun. I'm going to do it too. And so I went to pull out my palettes for St. Patrick's Day and realized, man, I don't have a lot of green. So I don't have 10 palettes. But I'll tell you what I do have. I have 3 palettes I would consider and 5 honorable mentions. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I also realized I don't really have a lot of green clothing. This shirt has some green in it, but actual green, I don't have that either. So I don't know. My eyes are green, but yeah, and I didn't put drops in them. Sorry guys, you've got red eyes today. Sorry. Anyway, let's get started. I'm going to start with what barely classifies and work my way up to my top 3, because I do have mine kind of in a some sort of, you know, list here of best to worst. Not that there's a worst one. We're going to go worst to best, but the ones you can barely count all the way up to, okay, you can count those. So first on my list is my Mcgrath palette. This is the Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette, and it's got magnetic closure, so let me pull that up. It has one lonely green, but it's pretty. It's a pretty green. So that's the color. There we go. That's my that's palette number 8. It barely makes it into this list. Palette number 7 will be my Too Faced Sparkling Pineapple palette. It too has one green, and it's a duochrome. And I find it's starting to not work very well, which makes me sad because I like this palette. And see, when I put it on, you're going to see it's not performing well, and it's looking brown. So I don't know if you can really count that. This one should probably be number 8. Yeah. Oh, I might have to declutter this. I don't want to. I might have to pull that out and play with it and decide if I'm going to keep it. Next on my list, I'm going to go with my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And here, we have 2 over here in the corner. 2 greens. So we have well, they're both shimmery. This one is called Wanderlust, and this one's Big Sky. I like that Wanderlust. That's a pretty dark, shiny green shimmer. It's pretty. I love this palette. I love this palette. Alright, next, we're moving up. I've got my, oh, let me wipe it off here. I don't like little dirty spots on my palettes. I've got the You're So Money Baby from Kylie Jenner, Kylie Cosmetics. And now we have 3 greens. I love these bright greens. I'm just going to, I think, look at that. That's a glitter. Beautiful, beautiful. So, yeah. Now, last of the honorable mentions, I have part of this on my eyes today. It's my Natasha Denona Mini Retro palette. And in this one, we've got these 2. This is a fantastic crease shade, a matte crease shade. And I do have it on in my crease. So that's the color I'm wearing from this palette. There we go. Yep, I have that matte green, which is called 60s. I'm wearing it in my crease, and I also have this one on as well. That one's called Industrial. No, it's called Vintage Taupe. Okay, now my 3 eyeshadow palettes, and they are in a particular order. So next I have my Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette. This is what I think of for Halloween, but also we've got some nice greens here. These are mattes. We've got Bonnie and Marnie. So those 2. And then next, in the number 2 position, I have my ColourPop Aura and Out palette. Man, it's hard to read that writing, isn't it? All these lights. But here we go. We've got those greens. That's my number 2. And of course, my number 1 palette, the only one that both Nona and I have, the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. Now in this palette today, I am wearing this on the outer corner and under my eyes, and this is on my lid. So yeah, that's my most green palette. And that's it. And now looking at this, I'm thinking, do I need more greens? But apparently I'm not wearing greens if I didn't realize I didn't have that many greens. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's just a little something fun to do on St. Patrick's Day. So guys, if you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.